Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by running your chosen emulator or WinAuth on Windows. This lets you host Google Authenticator codes. Open the account you want to protect and navigate to Security right arrow two-step verification. Once there, choose the option to set up an Authenticator app. The site will show a QR code or a manual key. Make sure to keep the phone available and, if using an emulator, enable camera pass-through or copy the code text to your emulator clipboard. Now you scan the QR code with the Authenticator running in the emulator, or enter the provided secret key manually into WinAuth or the emulator's Authenticator app. Once you import the key, the app will generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Make sure the app's time settings are set to automatic or synchronized. An incorrect clock causes failures. After entering the generated code on the website, click Verify. If it accepts, you've linked the Authenticator successfully. Finish by saving any backup or recovery codes the site provides. Store them securely off the PC. Sign out and test, signing in to confirm the Authenticator prompts and that codes work during a real login. If something goes wrong, first check device clock synchronization. Time drift is the most common cause. Then re-import the secret key or use a backup code to regain access. If needed, revoke the old Authenticator and repeat setup. Make sure you retain at least one recovery option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.